Tanawa sa gawas kay nag snowstorm. Nakita nimo? I-open na to ha. Daghan nag-snow. Uy. Tanawa. Ala ka kusog sa hangin, bye.
Storm now closing in on St. Louis. We have to wrap the backside of the system through. So all that snow in Iowa still has to wrap into northern Illinois. So the heaviest snow is going to happen overnight. We're adding that lake enhancement during the day tomorrow. So those winds will build high waves as well right off the lake. And that could create those lakeside snow showers for us as we move through the night. So right along the Wisconsin line, we have snow showers for now. A little break closer to the city, but down to the south and southwest and through Iowa, that's where we see more concentrated areas of steady snow. And all of that will be moving through the picture tonight. So through midnight, we will see snow increasing. And then through about 2 and 3 in the morning, those snowfall rates could top out at 1 inch per hour. So the greatest accumulation will be happening overnight. And then during the day tomorrow, we'll have those lake-enhanced snow showers continuing to give us some additional accumulation, mainly from the city to the North Shore, all the way up to the Kenosha County shoreline as well. So our snowfall
We are nearby Waukegan, right? We are near Waukegan.
But then as you start heading closer to the North Shore and to the city, you add the lake enhancement in. So 4 to 6 inches.
We are near Waukegan.
8-inch totals are possible by Wednesday morning for those north
We're between
side areas,
Waukegan and
especially as we reach closer
between
to
3
the
and a half,
Wisconsin
6
line,
inches.
just because of those winds coming off the lake. Now that's why we also have a lakeshore flood advisory in effect through tomorrow. Those winds will build high waves, and those winds are straight off the water. Water temperature is in the upper 30s, so it's relatively mild compared to the cold air that's overhead.
22
so
degrees.
To kick in that lake enhanced snow machine for us tomorrow. So I think tomorrow morning, yes, we will be off to a snowy start. You may have snow-covered roadways and snow-covered driveways. Be careful shoveling it, because what we're getting now is that heavy, wet stuff, Brad and Marie. But keeping snow showers around during the day tomorrow and even into Wednesday as well.
Okay, thanks, MK. NBA history made tonight, and it was not a
Tanawa sa gawas kay nag snowstorm. Nakita nimo? I-open na to ha. Daghan nag-snow. Uy. Tanawa. Ala ka kusog sa hangin, bye. Oh my God. Kusog kayong hangin. Oh, daghan na kahit snow. Tanawa ang snow. Kuyawa sa snow. Uy, murag nag sayaw-sayaw. Hangin manggod siya, kusog kaayang hangin. Snowstorm. Tanawa kusog. Hala. Yawa sa hangin. Uy, hangin siya, oh, nag-snow. Di lang maklaro ang kuan kay gabiin naman. Hangin kaayo, snowstorm diri sa mo, abay. Oh my G. Oh my God. Makita nimo? Naunsa naman ni ang snow, uy. Grabe, hanggang ugma pa daw ni. Snowstorm diri sa mo, abay. Awa ang kuan, daghan na kay snow ang. Hala, ang bangko. Pati ang wall, oh, nag-snow na. Hala, Diyos mio. Kusog kayong hangin, bay. OMG. Look at that. OMG, nag-snowstorm dito sa amin. Mura ko siyang fireworks, oh. Nindot kay tanawon. Pero nag-snowstorm na di ay. Ulan, mura siyang ulan, pero di siya ulan. Snowman. Diyos me, pwede na ako makahimag snowman ani ugma. Dali ara na naghan, oy. Oh, baga na kayo ang snow. Oh, marag 3 inches na na. Until ugma pa daw ni ang snow. Wow, look at that. Puti na kayong salog. I mean, ang kuan, di na makita. Oh, nonsan na. Pati ang wall, lagi na mo, na snow. Mga bangko. Naghan kay snow. Lamisa. Oh, kuyaw kay siya, oh. Lingaw kay tanawon. Pero, tugnaw kaayo. Snowstorm. Gabiin naman gudari, guys. Gabiin na, oh. Ang snow, mararag nagtuyok-tuyok. Kay hangin man. Hangin, tapos, oops, napalong ng suga. Sige na, guys. Ayan, oh, daghan na kay snow. Bye. Basta hangin kay diri sa gawas. Klaro ninyo, klaro kay hangin na. Uyog-uyog ang kahoy. Okay na, bye. Hi guys, tingtulog no jud siya karon. Tapos nakakita ko sa news ba nga nagkuan daw nag snowstorm diri sa Moa. I-check na to sa gawas, ha? Check na to sa gawas kay nag snowstorm diri sa Moa. Tapos di so ako natulog, nag-check ko sa gawas. Nice siya, guys. An awa. Tigaso na tong suga. Look at that, sa gawas. Daghan kay snow. Kita ninyo? Makita siya. Daghan kay snow, no? Atong iba camera. Tanawa sa gawas, daghan na kay snow. Kay snowstorm ba diri, ah. Gawso na to. Look at that. Daghan kay snow, bay. Daghan kay snow. Daghan kay snow. Look at that. Kusubod ang hangin. Tapos nag-snow. Kusog ang hangin. Tapos nag-snow. Nag-snowstorm. Jud, oh, tanawa ra good. Wala siyang ulan. Pero snow na. Snow. Snow. Wala siyang ulan. Pero snow na. Oh, kusog kay diri dapit nga side. Mura siya gibuo ang ulan. Daghan na kay snow ba? Daghan na kay snow. Tanawa ang bangko. Daghan na kaayo. Hanggang ugma pag daw ang snow. Look at that. Daghan na kaayo. Kusog ang hangin, oh. Wow, tanawa ra good. OMG. Wow. Kusuga, uy. Hala. Kusuga, uy. Mura lagi sa buwag. Hala, Diyos mio. Mura siya nag-ipo-ipo, good. Kusog ang hangin, bay. Wow, uy. Nihagbong. Kusog kayo, oh. Grabe, bay. Kusuga sa hangin, uy. Makita ninyo ang kahoy. Ambot kung maklaro ba. Tanawang kahoy na guyog-guyog. Hala, grabe, uy. Nag-snowstorm diri sa amo, ah. Merong snowstorm. Look at that. Wow. Hala, kusog kaayog yun siya, guys. OMG. Kusog kaayo ang snowstorm. Yan, oh. Awara good. Diyos ko, Lord. Until ugma pa daw ni. Nya, di namin kagawas, ani. Kusog ka ang snow. Gabi naman dyan dari, guys. Nya, nag-video-video, ragod ko good, uy. Okay, nindot siya tanahon, pero marag hadlok lang. Tugnaw pa dyan kaayo. Oh, kusog ka sa snow, uy. Okay, klaro ninyo. Kusog ka ang snow. Mara nagibuhos-buhos. Hi! Kusog kayong snow, no? Kusog kayong snow, cute. Tugno ka diri sa gawas. Kisilip naman ko, oh. Kaya ang bumbong, oh, naanap yung snow. Nakagwapa lagi diri nga side. Gwapa lagi ta diri nga side. Hamis lagi ko diri nga side. Sige na, oy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, ha. Please subscribe my channel. Click the bell button para updated ka sa aking mga video. Thank you. Bye. Good night. Natulog na ko, guys. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. OMG. Suga, uy. Oh my God. Whoops. Suga, ay Jude. Palong ng suga. Hangin siya, uy. Snow. OMG. Yan, oh. Grabe na ka yung snow. Okay, update lang tamo tomorrow. Dagan na kayo snow. Bye. Tanawa ang kuan pertahan. Tadaan na nato.